Okay, let's have a go at drawing this boat then. Let's think of a strategy. I'm going to start with this central line here and build everything up from there. So let's set up the grid. Right click. We'll set it at 5, that's already there, so I'll leave it as it is. I'll use the line tool and I'll put grid lock on. Let's just turn all these others off, so we've just got grid lock on. And we'll click here and then we'll come across using relative to help us get a line at 125, and we'll click. The bottom of the boat is 40 millimeters from the top, so let's use the contour tool, set it at 40, and then click to go down here. There's a 10 millimeter gap there, so let's right click on the contour tool, put it at 10, and then we'll have one just above it here. Let's use the line tool and the attach tool to come from the end of this line. Oh, cancel that. Let's right click on the attach tool and on the end point. So it will come from the end point of this line. Because we're already in the grid snap, we just come straight up over here. That's fine, and we'll do the same over here. So it tapers in here at an angle. We've got 20 millimeters coming in. So let's come onto the contour again. And we'll choose 20. And we'll have one here and here. Now let's turn off the grid lock. Keep the snap on, but right click and then we'll choose endpoint, and let's also have intersection. Now, intersection will snap to where two lines intersect. So that's quite useful in a few moments. We use the line tool. Attach is activated, so we'll click from here to there and there to there. Let's delete now the bits we don't want. So we'll delete, that's the second option, delete a part of a line. There, here, and those two there. We can delete these ones as well. Now on the left hand drawer you can see a dotted blue line, that's the centre line of the view. So let's draw that, because that will help us locate this corner. So we use the line tool, let's change the attach to midpoint, remove the other two options there, and we'll go from the midpoint of this line. To go vertically we'll use radial lock, so it will only allow us to draw a line at 45-degree increments. We'll come up here and we'll click. Let's use this 60, contour 60, and then we'll come up here. So we've now got the top of the sail. Let's get this line off at 50. So we'll come here, right click on the contour, 50. Now there's quite a few lines around here, so I'm actually going to delete some of those first of all. I don't want that one, or that one, or that one, or that one. Let's go back and use this dimension here, right click, 50. We'll have one this side and that side. This is 5, let's do that one as well. Right click 5, we'll have one either side there. Line tool, turn off radial lock. Let's do intersection. And then we'll just join the intersection here to there, and the same the other side. And then we'll use the delete part tool to remove all the bits we don't need. Be careful when doing this, you've only got one little undo, we don't want to click too frantically. And just be careful at the top here. Let's double check with some dimensions. We'll use some horizontal dimensions first. Let's use the attach end point as well as intersection. So from there to there, 125, 20, 50. Let's check the vertical dimensions. 60, 40, 10. Happy with that? That concludes the boat tutorial.